Hi! Today we are hiking at Mount Everest!
Hey, Elias.
What's wrong, bro? Are you already tired?
What happens?
I'm tired. I have no energy anymore.
Don't worry, I have solution.
Motivational 10.
Wow!
Have you ever think how the motivational fan can rotate? Firstly, you should know what is the definition of magnetism. Magnetism is a force produced by moving electric charge or magnetic materials that can attract or repel certain objects. It is caused by a magnetic field around magnets, electric currents, or moving charge. There are a few unique facts about induction motor in fan. Firstly, induction motor is an asynchronous motor, meaning it uses a ghost magnetic field to pull the blades along without any physical gears or brushes touching the moving parts. Secondly, for the motor to work, the rotor must spin slightly slower than the magnetic field. If they spun at the same speed, the magnetic field wouldn't cut the bars anymore, and the fan would stop. This tiny difference in speed is called slip. Let's see how far this law is applied in induction motor. As the magnetic field spins, it cuts through the metal bars of the inner part, which is the rotor. This movement induces or creates an electric current inside the rotor bars, even though they aren't plugged into anything. Therefore, electromotive force can be produced, and it can be counted by using the formula EMF equals to negative N, number of turns of the coil, times instantaneous change of magnetic flux with time. Now, let's see about the Lenz's law in induction motor. The new current in the rotor creates its own magnetic field. This rotor field tries to oppose the started field, creating a Lorentz force F equals to BIL that pushes the rotor. This force is what physically turns the fan blades. So, the blades can rotate and we can feel the wind. Let's see about the rotating field starter and induction motor. Copper coils in the outer part of the motor, which is the starter, receive alternating current electricity. This creates a magnetic field that rotates in a circle at high speed.
There are 7 components in the fan's motor. First one, stator core. Stator core are part of the motor fan where the windings are winded. Next, stator windings. These windings are resemble the compressor motor, but it may have 6 poles or more. This fan's motor has 3 speeds. Third, rotor, part of the fan motor that spins and makes fan blades to scoop and circulate air. Next, motor frame. These are 2 covers that hold the brushing of the motor on both ends. This device also containing capacitor. Capacitor creates a phase shift in the electric current to generate a rotating magnetic field. The last one, magnetic flux. Magnetic flux serves as the essential medium for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy.
Next, I want to talk about rules of magnetism in motor. First, generating magnetic fields. The magnet rotor creates a stable and strong magnetic field, enabling the motor to function efficiently without needing external power for magnetization. This magnetic field initiates the motor's operation by creating the necessary conditions for interaction with the stator, allowing the motor to start functioning. Second is improving efficiency. The magnet rotor, especially when made with rare earth magnets like neodymium, and provides high magnetic strength in a compact size, making the motor more efficient and powerful compared to brush motor DC. This reduces energy loss and enhances the overall performance and efficiency of the motor. Lastly, it enabling electromagnetic induction. The magnet rotor interacts with the stator's magnetic field, producing a force which is Lorentz force that causes rotation, converting electrical energy into mechanical motion. This interaction generates torque, which causes continuous rotation of the rotor and ensures smooth and uninterrupted operation of the motor. The importance of magnetism. Firstly, motors and generators use magnetic forces to convert energy between electrical and mechanical forces. Next, by using magnetic repulsion and attraction, the motor can rotate smoothly with minimal physical contact, reducing wear and tear.
The importance of magnetism also include in modern medical technology. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is a crucial medical diagnostic tool. Last, the Earth's magnetic field protects the planet from solar wind, making life possible for creatures, especially human.
Now, let's look at the nuclear element, which is Rohya's universe 38. This verse explains that the sun moves according to a force well. Similarly, a fan motor also works in a systematic and controlled way based on scientific laws created by Alpha. Now, let's look at the ugly element. The ugly means precise measurement and determination by Alpha. In a fan motor, the magnetic field and electric current must be measured accurately to ensure the motor runs smoothly and efficiently. Instead, the word tajwid means continuous movement. Just like the sun moves continuously, the rotor in the fan motor also rotates continuously through magnetic force. This shows the greatness of Allah's design and the perfection of physical laws.
For this experiment, we require a copper wire, battery, and 2 circular magnets. After that, we assemble the material like the following video. When an electric current flows through a wire within a magnetic field, it creates a mechanical force that causes the wire to spin. This is the basic principle of how electric motors work.
I feel more energetic. Let's go.
Wait.